Undoubtedly one of the benefits of lemongrass tea is used as a detox tea to increase metabolism, which further aids in weight loss. The presence of polyphenol compounds and caffeine content of lemongrass increases energy expenditure and fat oxidation, thereby contributing to weight loss. Several animal studies found that bitter melon may decrease cholesterol levels to support overall heart health. One study in rats on a high cholesterol diet observed that administering bitter melon extract led to significant decreases in levels of total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides. If we make a mixture of lemongrass and bitter melon water, it will become water, which is called detox water. There's a lot of hype about the supposed health benefits of detox water. We often recommended that you drink 8 glasses of water per day. But some people think adding extra ingredients to water boosts its health benefits. The result, called detox water, is said to help your body get rid of toxins, improve your energy levels, and help you lose weight. Recipe from Dr. Zaidul Akbar Natural Detoxification Water is 3 slices of a half young bitter gourd, remove the middle and seeds and cut. 1 lemongrass and cut into pieces. 2 cups water. Then boil 2 cups of water until it boils. After boiling and it is estimated that the bacteria have died, put the pieces of bitter melon and lemongrass into the water. Wait a few moments, then turn off the fire. Wait a while and drink it while it's still warm. This drink is good to drink at bedtime and in the morning. Dr. Zaidul Akbar suggested that this drink be consumed regularly for 3 days. He said, the effect would be good to cleanse your system and promote overall health. Detox water is also often recommended in weight loss plans, especially in place of high sugar drinks like soda and fruit juice. Even mild dehydration can affect mood, concentration, and energy levels. Studies have shown that dehydration levels of around 1% can significantly decrease mood, reduce concentration span, and cause headaches. If you're not drinking enough, increasing your water intake could improve your mood and give you more energy. Additionally, some detox drinks may help to cleanse your system and promote overall health. If you are considering trying a detox drink for detoxification, it is important to speak with your healthcare provider first to ensure that it is safe for you. Thank you for watching. Hope this is useful.